Hey guys, come on in the kitchen. I'm going to be making homemade tartar sauce made quick and easy. All right, so first we're going to take that onion and cut the tip off, and we're going to zest that onion. About 2 tablespoons is what you'll need for this recipe. And after you've zest that onion, and you're going to use a half of juice of lemon, about 2 tablespoons. You're going to use 1.5 cups to 2 cups of mayo. You're going to use, to your discretion, about 3 tablespoons of sweet relish. You'll use black pepper and lemon pepper. You're going to use dill. You're going to use chives. You're going to use garlic powder. You're going to use paprika for color, and some cayenne pepper for a little heat. And you're gonna mix, give it a little taste, and if everything is fine, go ahead and put it in a smaller bowl and cover it with a lid or saran wrap. Refrigerate for about an hour or overnight. And then once it's been refrigerated, you take it back out and you're ready to eat this with your fish. Oh yeah, quick and easy recipe that you can make at home and your kids can make at home. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit that red button and make it turn gray today. Oh yeah, and let's enjoy some good old fried fish.